Having dilemma in choosing foods and drinks dahil gusto mo ng less sugar eating this 2025? Wait, may solusyon tayo dyan. Meron ng green stevia na pwede mong ihalo sa drinks at foods na ginagawa mo para less or no sugar added sa intakes mo. Green stevia is made with stevia plant that produces sweet taste. That made it possible to be sugar alternative. 1 sachet is good for a cup of coffee or tea. Ang sweetest conversion niya is 1 sachet is equal to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Ang green stevia ay pwede mong ihalo sa coffee, tea, or even foods like cakes, bread, and more. Kaya naman, you can eat sweet without the guilt. Green stevia is now available at the leading supermarkets nationwide. Katulad ng SM Supermarket, SM Hypermarket, Robinsons, Landmark, Walter Mart, and Mercury Drug. Kaya kung gusto mo na ng healthier eating and mag-diet this 2025, buy ka na nito